गीता आवडसे सगळे नमस्कार. आता इंग्लिश आरंभची साधारण संस्कृतीला. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It is my honor and immense pleasure to get this opportunity to welcome you all on behalf of Saraswat Mahila Samaj to this 108th Foundation Day celebration. For 108 years, our Samaj has pursued its efforts and motto, Vidya, Seva and Kala. And today we have all come together to honor that legacy and look forward to an even brighter future. I would now like to heartily welcome our chief guest, an accomplished, brilliant, compassionate personality, recipient of many prestigious awards for her noble work of educating and developing the hearing impaired, and that is the one and only Srimati Shubhada Bunde. We are very privileged, Madam Bunde, to have your gracious presence here and look forward to your valuable insights. I also extend our hearty welcome to our next guest, a talented group from Santa Cruz, young and some seniors too, but young at heart. They are charming Amchi ladies with an adorable, cute name, Dancing Dolls. Who will be presenting the song, dance, acting spectacle, which I'm sure will enthrall you all. Today evening is a testament to the vision of our folk authors as we have crossed many milestones, and that is due to the support, patronage, yogdan, etc. from all of you. And my dear Mahilas, members, lovely audience, we are very grateful to you and also your gracious presence today. It is you who have shared along with us our Samaj's journey and been with us during its growth and success. So I am now extending my very warm welcome to each one of you present here and with a deep sense of joy. My dear friends, let us enjoy this enchanting evening together. And now, I'm giving you a small little job. May I request you to give a big welcome applause for our esteemed guests. Can you? A little educational exercise. I now request our President, Srimati Srikala Veligur, to give her presidential address. Thank you very much.
नमस्कार. हांव श्रीकला महिला समाजाचे 108वे स्थापना दिसाचे समारंभ आयिल्ल्या सगळ्या प्रेक्षकांक मनपूर्वक अभिवादन आणि स्वागत आणि थोडक्यान तुमकां सारस्वत महिला समाजाचे विशयांचो माहिती दिता. महिला समाजाची स्थापना 1917 प्रतिष्ठित आणि दूरदर्शी आशिष ह्या चित्रात सारस्वत महिलांनी मेळ सारस्वत कॉलनी लावलेली ग्रँडोराडो केली. म्हाका गर्व जाता सांगून की महिला समाजाक BMCने हेरिटेज ऑर्गनायझेशन म्हणून घोषित केलें. समाजाचे प्रमुख उद्देश त्या काळाचे महिलांक आर्थिक, सामाजिक आणि शैक्षणिक सुदार करूंक प्रेरीत करचें आशिल्लें. आणि हो उद्देश आमकां समाजाचे एम्ब्लमांत दिसून येता. सेवा, विद्या आणि कौतुक. सेवा म्हणून मेडिकल आणि डिस्ट्रेस एड फंड्स आणि रिनल मेडिकल एड फंड्स म्हणून नीडी महिलांक प्रतिवर्स आमी दितात. विद्या प्रसारा खातीर 1933 समाजाने चळवळ खातीर बालकवृंद रिक्रिएशनल सेंटर म्हणून काडलेले आपलो पूर्ण रुपेने बालकवृंद हायर सेकंडरी स्कुलांत रुपांतरीत जाल्ले. आमी डिझर्विंग स्टुडंट्सांक स्कॉलरशीप एक म्हणून तशीच लेखन पुरस्कार कोंकणी आणि मराठी लेखिकांक प्रतिवर्स दितात. कलाक प्रोत्साहन दिवच्या समाजातर्फे प्रतिवर्स संगीत कला पुरस्कार अप्रमील गायिकांक प्रतिवर्स दितात. सरस्वती वृंदगान म्हणून समाजाचे भजन ग्रूप मस्त काम करत असत. तांगेले संत गाथा म्हणून संतांगले भजनांक प्रसिद्धी मेळ्ळी. आमगेले पाककला प्रमोट करूंक समाजाने पब्लिश केलेल्या रसचंद्रिका सगळ्यांना परिचित असतात. 2018 रसचंद्रिकाक बेस्ट रेसिपी बुक अवॉर्ड गोदरेजातर्फे मेळ्ळा. सेंचुरी स्थापित झालेल्या महिला समाजाचे बायलॉस त्या काळाच्या सामाजिक परिस्थितीनुसार आशिल्ले. समाजातून फक्त तित्रातून सारस्वत महिलांक आणि तांगेल चळवळांक मेंबर जावचें जातालें. आजच्या समाजाने आता काळाच्या सामाजिक गरजेनुसार बायलॉसांत चेंजेस केले. नवीन बायलॉस प्रमाणे समाजातून दुसरी कम्युनिटी उलंघ जाल्ल्या चळवळांक मेंबरशीप दित आसत. आमी आतां ऑनलायन प्रोग्राम्स करत आसत. आतां वर्किंग महिलांक आमच्या समाजाच्या एक्टिविटीजांत भाग घेवच्याक इजी जातलें. म्हणून हांव आयलेंड महिलांक आमच्या समाजाचे मेंबर्स जावच्याक विनंती करता. आश करता की तुमी आमच्या समाजाचे रिलीफ एड फंड्सांत अनुदान आनी भरपूर सहयोग करतले. म्हाका खात्री आसा की तुमकां आमच्या आयचे प्रोग्राम खूब आवडटले आनी तुमी एन्जॉय करतले. धन्यवाद. समाजाचे सगळे एक्टिविटीज विशयान सांगूक आमगेली ऑनररी सेक्रेटरी निवेदिता नाडकर्णी सांगूक विनंती.
Hello. A very good evening to all present here today. Would like to welcome each of you for our 108th Foundation Day program. Thanks a million for attending and giving a wonderful response to our live and online programs this year, like always. Requesting your continued support. As you are aware, the Samaj programs for the year covers various aspects of entertainment, interesting and informative talks, presentation of arts and performances, competitions for encouraging talents. After each of the programs, the video recordings are shared on our YouTube channel for all those who missed attending in person, and also for those who were part of the event and would like to revisit and enjoy the program in the comfort of their homes. Some of the highlights of the programs held during last year, from April 1st, 2024 to March 31st, 2025. Under the talks section, we had Professor Sadhana and Advocate Narendra Kamath Memorial Lecture on Sunday, May 12, wherein Dr. Mangala Sandesh Pandey, former professor and head of the Department of French, University of Mumbai, presented a talk show on the importance of literature and the arts of teaching it. This program was conducted at Anandashram Hall under the joint aegis of Kamath family, KSA and Saraswat Mahila Samaj. Matru Divas was celebrated on Saturday, February 22nd at Our guest speakers, Srimati Sujal Bizur and Srimati Swati Putli, spoke about how they raised their uniquely able children and challenges faced in their journey. Their talks were short, to the point, informative, insightful, and incredibly motivating. On this day, Industrial Awards for Excellence 2025 was conferred upon three ladies, Srimati Maya Gangawali, Srimati Anjali Patkar, and Srimati Manasi Kalandu, who helped us to preserve traditional flavors and aromas of Amchi cuisine. Also, our Samaj office head, Ms. Shubhangi, was honored for her incredible support all throughout the year. Yuvati Din was celebrated on Saturday, March 8th. A talk show at Samaj Hall by our shining stars, Ms. Apeksha Sarkul, yoga instructor and a fashion designer, and Ms. Bhakti Undar, banker and origami artist. They both conducted workshops. Apeksha would share yoga and important tips for good posture, and Bhakti with origami workshop, wherein members enjoyed making a few origami items and left with a smile on their face. Under music and fine arts programs, we had Chaitra Vasantik Sammelan on Saturday, April 13, 2024, a musical treat of Sugam Sangeet and light music presented by Srimati Smita Harish Chandawar at our Samaj Hall. She captivated the audience with her melodious singing and amazing mastery of tone, pitch, rhythm, leaving all of us in awe. Then came Bachpan Ke Din Bhula Na Dena, an online open mic program on Saturday, June 8, 2024. It was held on Zoom for a deep dive into your childhood, showcasing any talent, music, dance, poem, skit, display of art piece, expressing your priceless childhood memory. Started with a curtain raiser with baby songs sung by Prashanti Narkaran Bhatt. Our joint honorary secretary Neena Kotwal had organized a wonderful questionnaire to show how our childhood trends have changed over a period of time. Overall, this was a super hit program and very well enjoyed and attended by most of our overseas and outstation members, wherein they shared their experiences close to their hearts regarding the childhood memories. Zao Pandhari Sala on Ashadi Ekadashi Day, Wednesday, July 17, 2024, a Bhajan Sandhya program presented by Saraswati Guru Bhakti Vrindavan at Samaj Hall. As always, our evergreen groom sang melodious Vitthal bhajans and created a bhakti-mike atmosphere with Kalindi Kachi's copia, which added to the devotional environment, creating a divine and spiritual energy and vibes. Gokulashtami Bhandya program on Tuesday, August 20th, 2024 at 3:30 p.m. at Samaj Hall, wherein Srimati Savita Padukone and her team presented melodious Mandya composed by Rama Vallabh Das, and everybody joined them in singing. What is special about our Mandya is the harmonious blend of soulful voices with enchanting harmonium by Srimati Jyoti Gokarpachi created a heavenly atmosphere touching our souls, pure bliss. The Navratri Sammelan and Kojagiri evening was jointly celebrated on October 19, 2024 with a total entertainment evening consisting of talk show, songs and dances by few of our members, mimicry, fun games and variety entertainment program at Samaj Hall. our younger and older members all joined in dancing in a circle under the unique mouth-watering Atsa Amchi delicacy. Chevai Rasu and Ambulan chutney was served and was enjoyed by all. Sankranti Sammelan was celebrated on Saturday, January 18, 2025 by a wonderful musical program presented by Srimati Nandini Basur with her melodious bhajans and bhavgeet. Our members thoroughly enjoyed the program, after which there is a surprise activity organized by Leena Kotwal. She taught everybody how to make a small pouch with colored disposable cups for carrying the tirul and laddus. Under the annual functions, we had Foundation Day on Saturday, September 28th. Lagna Pisher, a fabulous musical comedy play in Konkani, directed by Dr. Chandrasekhar Prabhu at Swatantra Veer Savarkar Auditorium, Shivaji Park, for which Mrs. Chitla Palekar was invited as the chief guest. The program was a super hit with riots of laughter and well attended and enjoyed by the audience. Then came Dabba I Spy, a totally unique cooking show with sneak peek recipes shared by Nivedita Bellari and Nivedita Natkar on Sunday 8 December 2024, which covered unique chef stories with food related quiz and games, followed by demonstrations by both chefs for the day, after which followed fun-filled and exciting food tasting and snacks. Ladies' Day Out, a contributory luncheon on Sunday, 2nd February 2025 at Gold Coin Banquet Hall, Kartik, was a fantastic break for ladies from their daily routine. There were amazing games including housey, music, dance, a 10-minute comedy skit by Leena and Nivedita. Members were welcome to the welcome drink and a wonderful veg and non-veg starters for being served, followed by delicious lunch buffet spread. The return gifts were sponsored by Srimati Maya Maskeli, a very memorable day out indeed with 50 or more members. Finally, our Lekhan and Sangeet Puraskar, Suhar, was held on March 22, 2025 at Samaj Hall. Lekhan Puraskar was conferred to late Srimati Sunanda Natkari and Suham Sangeet Puraskar to Srimati Nandini Basur. We were deeply saddened by the sudden passing of Sunand Pachi on 11th March, our Lekhan Puraskar holder. This tragically occurred just before the Samaj was to bestow upon her the said Puraskar. So we honored her posthumously with her 3 daughters accepting the Puraskar in her memory. The dress code, theme and menu was purely South Indian. After the program, the takeaway boxes with appam and veg stew and payasam was served. Thanks once again. Now requesting our honorary treasurer, Srimati Kalindi Kodiyal, to read out the treasury report to us. Thank you.
Namaskar. On behalf of Saraswat Mahila Samaj Ramdevi, I would now like to present the treasurer's report, giving you an overview of the donations received and the assistance provided during financial year 2024-25. We received rupees 10,000 from Ms. Maya Murdeshwar and rupees 25,000 from Srimati Shantala Murdeshwar towards the Samaj Home. Maya Murdeshwar also donated rupees 10,000 towards late Sitabai Padbidri Distress Relief Fund. Under the Education Fund, late Lady Lakshmibai Chandagarkar Scholarship Fund, we received rupees 10,000 from Ms. Rupa Yaneladi Logo, rupees 5,000 from Shri Sunil Udal in memory of Srimati Radhika Udal, and rupees 18,000 from Ms. Ashwini Prashant in memory of her grandparents, parents-in-law and uncle. For the late Kalyani Vaisnavshi Medical Aid Fund, Srimati Shamala Yaneladi contributed rupees 10,000 in memory of Shri Sunil Yaneladi, while Ms. Nandita Hemani Shiru donated a substantial sum of rupees 5 lakhs in memory of Srimati Sumitra Motikar, Srimati Shanta Gavoi and Srimati Shaila Hemani. The interest from this contribution will be utilized for the treatment of a female cancer patient. A donation of rupees 7.5 lakhs was received in memory of Dr. Harish Argonia towards renal aid fund to support persons undergoing renal treatment or dialysis. We have continued to disburse aid for education, medical relief and distress support from the interest generated on our corpus funds. This year, an educational aid of rupees 4 lakhs was given to 17 girl students to help them pursue their studies. Medical aid amounting to rupees 2 lakhs was provided to 6 ladies, while distress relief of rupees 1.10 lakhs was given to 9 ladies in need. In addition, with the support of the non-corpus renal aid fund, we were able to provide rupees 8 lakhs as assistance to 5 persons undergoing dialysis. I would like to extend our heartfelt thanks to all our donors for their generosity and trust. Your continued support strengthens our hands and inspires us to do more for the society. We wish to inform that the donations made to our Samaj qualify for exemption under Section 80G of Income Tax Act as per the old tax regime. Last but not the least, a big thank you to our sponsor, STC Bank, for their contribution of rupees 30,000 and Mr. Kishore Masukar and Endor Pharmaceutical for his kind support of rupees 25,000. With their help, we were able to celebrate last year's Foundation Day as a truly memorable event. We look forward to their continued encouragement in the future as well. Now our Joint Secretary, Leena Kotkal, will escort our Chief Guest on their rise. Ashwini Prashant to introduce our chief guest, Srimati Shubhana.
Thank you, Kalyani. A very good afternoon to you all. I am Ashwini Prashant, and it is indeed my proud privilege and pleasure to introduce our chief guest for today, Srimati Shubhana Burle, nee Amita Nagarkatti. Recently, on September 5th, we celebrated Teachers' Day. It is indeed a very apt coincidence that on Saraswat Mahila Samaj's 108th Foundation Day celebrations today, we have a dedicated teacher gracing this occasion as our esteemed chief guest. Born on May 27, 1953, Amita Pachi is a professionally qualified and trained teacher for children, especially differently abled children. Teaching is not just a profession for her, it is her passion. Her focus is on underprivileged children, including the hearing impaired. Post her BSc graduation from Wilson College, she completed her BA and DA. She did a 3-month certificate course from Institute Boerdongen, Netherlands, Ahmed Emitie Begiros, and advanced courses by Kochia.
She has been in the specialized training field under the Social Welfare Department of the Maharashtra government. From 1979 till 2011, she has dedicated her service to the education of children in various capacities like senior language teacher at the Central School for the Deaf, lecturer for Diploma HR at CITB, principal and a language teacher, auditory verbal therapist for babies and toddlers with cochlear implants at Maitri Center of the Central School for the Deaf. Her current status: from 2007 till date, she is the director and language teacher in the Central School for the Education of the Deaf. From 2018 till date, she is a therapist at SRCC Center for Special Children, Haji Ali. She has given lectures on speech and language development at CWHI, listening principles, parent guidance for deaf kids, conversation method for language development, reading, teaching strategies, etc. She has also given various paper presentations, including revisiting education, integration to inclusion and changing role of special schools in inclusive education. She has trained teachers as also parents of deaf children in remote villages across India in both special and regular schools. She is a member of the Education Committee as well of the Advisory Committee in Inclusive and Special Schools. She is an expert committee member with IGNA and ASEAN. Till recently, she was a trustee of Banak Vrinda Education Society, this school that is, for many years. And I have had the pleasure of being associated with her here, so it's very nice to be with her. She has also written various articles like a treasury of ideas for IDCS, project and activities for Conference Magazine, translations from English to Marathi and vice versa for CWHI and IGNA. She started a newsletter, Kindle, for parents and children of the Central School for the Deaf. Under her guidance, many learning impaired children have made a good mark in their respective careers. Amita Pachi has started DAR, Devil's Association of Retired Teachers, in the year 2018 with her 4 colleagues who are also retired teachers. The aim is to train teachers of special schools and inclusive schools. And this she does as part of her social work without taking any remuneration. They have mentored special schools in Maharashtra, Bhavnagar and Chennai. They have mentored few regular schools in Mumbai as well as other schools where special children are integrated. She has received numerous awards, including Best Special Educator from our Mahila Samaj, Best Teacher Awards from Brahmin Sabha Girgaon and Rotary Club of Bombay West, Saraswat Ratna from Paridhan Group. Recently, in January 2025, she was honored by the National Convention of Educators for the Deaf with the Lifetime Achievement Award. On 16 March 2025, our sister institution, the Canada Sanskrit Association, has honored Amita Pachi for a phenomenal contribution in educating deaf children, teachers and trainers for over 4 decades on the occasion of KSA's 19th Chitrapur Saraswat Jagatik Mahila Din or International Women's Day. Hearty congratulations, Amita Pachi. As our chief guest. I now request Amita Pachi to kindly accept a token of appreciation from the President of Saraswat Mahila Samaj, Srimati Shikala Vedekar.
It's a great privilege. Namaskar to all the esteemed members here, respected elders, and dynamic women, young ladies, all are young ladies and all of you. It is a true honor to be here on the 108th Foundation Day of our Mahila Samaj. And I was just doing a little bit of research that 108 is a significant number. My curious mind went to Mr. Google Baba, and he said that this number is called Harshad number. And Harshad in Sanskrit means joy giver. Another thing he said is Harshad is a number whose sum can be divided by the number can be divided by its sum. So additional 108, if you add it up it's 9, and 108 can be divided by 9. So I was thinking 2025 also, 2025 if you add up, it can be divided by its sum. So this year is going to be a joy giver for us, definitely. And today is the best day for me. It's giving me a lot of joy, and definitely to all of you after the dance you are going to really enjoy. A big milestone, a big journey, a long journey that began with a vision for empowerment and progress. I admire this journey of Mahila Samaj, which is a platform for the women to connect, grow and learn. Though I did not participate, but I saw all your videos thanks to the young Gen Z, which gave me a chance to see the origami and the cooking competition and all the other fun times that you all had. So this is a platform where the women get a chance to connect, to grow, to learn. And I saw a whole lot of talent here, creativity, leadership skills that have been recognized and encouraged. The Samaj has celebrated small victories as well as big achievements of women who have paved their way and whose courage inspires us. Now a little about some fruitful time that I spent or am spending in my second home, which is my school. Deafness can be identified at birth. And I think I had said this earlier that I request all of you to have each and every baby undergo a screening test for hearing at birth from the hospitals. So you will avoid the problems that they face in later. We get babies identified at 3 months or 4 months. I have worked with babies 3-4 months old who have, with the intervention, developed their speech and language as at par with the normal hearing aids. And they've gone way ahead in their academics and in their life. What happens is when the parents come to us, they are in a depressed state and in grief. So we just tell them one thing. They say, why me? So we said, God has given you this opportunity because He knows you are the best. Why didn't He give this baby to some other parent, another mother? God has identified you and He knows that you are going to give this child a secure future, and that gives them a boost. And they start working with us regularly. We teach the children not to sign. When you say deaf, it comes to your mind that sign language. But we teach the children no signs. We teach them to listen, learn and talk, just like we did when we were babies. So all our kids, right from a 2-year-old to older youth, they all talk fluently with clear speech. But for this, we need the best hearing aids, which are quite expensive. So we arrange for that and go ahead with our work. About the parents, I would like to mention a lot because we have a parent training program also, and traveling for almost 2.5 hours every day, one day. So 2.5 hours in the morning and in the evening. That means the mothers have to get their house ready with the food, breakfast, everything for the people at home and leave their home at 7 in the morning to go back home at 7 in the evening. So we are from Daman, Bangalore, all the last stops of the railways. They spend the whole day with us and we train them, make them sit in the class, observe. They also become our assistant teachers. And a special mention of some of the teachers, some of the parents. We have a parent where I learn from them. So the first thing I learned from one of the parents is, she said, I wake up in the morning, before my child gets up, I do all the work. So when my child is awake, till he goes to sleep, I am with him. I don't do any housework. I don't entertain any visitors. I am full time with him. I do whatever possible. So imagine how many hours of sleep she gets. So I learned dedication. That how can you give yourself? How can you do time management? That is what I learned from you. We are learning. Our teachers are learners and not teachers. We keep on learning all the time. So this is one incident. Another one is this mother. I had just taught the class a poem. You must be knowing it. Dakhan Jirani, Neshil Kamala, Pune Shabar, Pai Mala. So the whole poem was on Pune. This lady, what she did is she saved up money. And she took her daughter by the first Deccan Express to Pune, spent a whole day there showing her all the places and came back in the evening. So what did she achieve? She got her child to learn everything about that place. Plus, the child travelled and they were singing on the way in the train, the same poem. So that is what determination that I can do, the way she saved money, what she did to save the money and do. There is another mother who they came from a very low income group and she felt ashamed to come to school in her whatever clothes she had. And the child also used to feel bad. The other parents are coming in good clothes for the meeting and my mother has a blue ribbon or a red ribbon wear. So she trained her mother to be well dressed and how can she come, how should she comb her hair, everything. But this mother now is a shop owner. She has a shop in Talegaon. She has a showroom in Talegaon. She learned swimming because her daughter loved swimming. So she could go swimming. And she learned to drive a car. Came up from a literal hutment. And now she's, I would call her a millionaire. So that is what is determination. Another one is we have now a child whose mother, they've come from a village in Kolkata, very far. Doesn't know English at all. But in 3 years, the mother has picked up English. Very poor family, living in a masjid. Husband works as a sweeper or a cleaner of that masjid. She comes with the child. And she's behind her child the whole day and trying to speak. Similarly, another mother who is learning to speak English, after 6 months, her child has picked up so much that yesterday she came to me crying that Miss, मुझे इतना अच्छा इंग्लिश नहीं आता है, लेकिन जानवी तो बहुत इंग्लिश अभी पिकअप किया है, मैं उसको कैसे पढ़ूं? So she was literally crying. I am not capable of giving her that much English, the language. So I thought this is a chance. I would request if anybody is free, you can come to our school and be a volunteer to teach English to our parents. Anyone who is ready can contact me. There is another mother who wanted to collect money for her hearing aids and didn't want to ask for donations. So she she had an idea, South Indian. She made idlis and she was traveling 1 hour by train. So she had packets of idlis and chutney in the train and she sold them with her son. Took advantage of her son's disability. He went around with the idli packets. Naturally, people bought it. And she saved up that money to buy his idli. So, learning so much from these children's parents that what they can do and what they are capable of doing. Another one, coming from a Muslim community, was not allowed to study till 10th standard and then she was married off. But she wanted to study. So when this child joined school, in around 2 years, she came to me, she said, Miss, mujhe padhna hai. So I said, come on, let's go. I took her to a college where she could appear for 11th and 12th by correspondence. Helped her, she completed her 12th. She did her early childhood education also. And then she joined a school nearby, a play school, and became a teacher of it. And she said, this is what I want to teach my child, that you have to study. And what I learned is age is not a limit. So even I am studying, last year I did a course. And they all said, at this age you want to join this course? I said, yes, we want to study. So what I am doing is, I am learning from my parents. My family and friends say, when will you retire? But I say, no chance. I can't. I consider myself a lucky person, selected by the Almighty, to help specially abled kids and their families. I end with my favorite poem, which is called Heartprints. Whatever our hands touch, we leave fingerprints. On the door, on the walls, on furniture, on dishes, on books. As we touch, we leave our identity. Please, wherever I go today, help me to leave heartprints. Heartprints of compassion, of understanding and love. Heartprints of kindness and genuine concern. May my heart touch a grieving parent, a special child, an anxious grandparent, or perhaps a kind caregiver. I shall go out today and every day to leave heartprints, and if someone says, I felt your touch, may the one sense be your love, God, touching through me. Thank you.
Your speech was wonderful, and it's truly amazing how Amita Bachchan has touched so many lives of so many special children and made them stand independent in their careers. It's truly amazing. And now, my lovely audience, I know you all are eagerly waiting for our Santa Cruz dancing dolls to be on stage. We'll come to that. But before that, we will just take a 10-minute coffee break. I request you all to remain seated. Coffee and biscuits will be served to you at your seats. Thank you. Please join us with a prayer which we are going to just start. Join us, please. Dakshinasya Samahara
आता म्हणून आयचे परफॉर्मिंग आर्टिस्ट गेले एक फाटल्यान तुमकां परिचय करून दिता. In the year June 2024, a simple spark of encouragement from Surekha Kodikar gave rise to something truly special. What began with 4 friends, Rekha Chikarmane, Sonali Betude, Malati Bizu, and Madhu Bajekar, coming together to dance, soon grew into a family bound not just by rhythm, but by love, laughter, and companionship. Their very first performance at the Santa Cruz Mahila Samaj Ganpati celebration became the start of a beautiful journey. Over time, the circle widened. Kalpana Hemani, Kamla Kalyanpu, and Anjali Taylor joined with the same spirit, and with Sanjay Natamri's ever-steady support in all things technical, the group found its strength. Today, they stand not just as dancers, but as friends who uplift one another, proving that joy only multiplies when shared. For them, retirement is not about slowing down. It's about rediscovering themselves. Each practice, each performance is filled with laughter, encouragement, and the reminder that it's never too late to do what you love. This group is more than dance. It is friendship in motion, a celebration of togetherness, and a living example that passion has no age. Every time they take the stage, they don't just perform, they share their hearts. And now, let's get ready for the magic of dance and entertainment. I now request Kalpana Hemani to begin the show.
Below sea level, SEE, Moj. Good evening, friends. Welcome to Ish, Rhythm, and O.P. Nair. Omkar Prasad Nair, our star behind the clouds, was born into a luminous family on 16th of January 1926 in Lahore, British India then, and now in Pakistan. He had 4 siblings, 3 brothers, 1 a dentist in the army, 2 physician brothers. He was blessed with music in his blood. Though he had no formal training in music, he mastered playing many musical instruments. He deftly mixed Western instruments with Indian folk rhythm, keeping the audience of the 50s and 60s completely mesmerized. The rhythmic beats that run in his compositions is his ethos, and the sound of the donga is his signature. He romanced with lyrics to create seductive masterpieces. The heady cocktail of Western jazz blending with Indian folk instruments created catchy, peppy, and seductive pop songs. He wore several hats: music composer, singer, lyricist, music producer, music director, but that one black hat which he donned on his head was his crowning glory, defining his persona. Always immaculately dressed in white, wearing that mischievous smile and that twinkle in his eye, wove music that even after so many decades has not lost its spell. He won one Filmfare Award as Best Music Director in 1958 for Naya Daur and 2 nominees for Fagun and CID. Remember that nostalgic song? चैन से हमको कभी आपने जीने न दिया. Well, this song never saw the day of the light because it was clipped off for certain reasons. But before the release of the film itself, this song had reached everybody's heart. Now, this song was given won the prestigious Female Singer Award by none other than Asha Bhosle. The way in which pain is depicted in this song is so soul-touching that it sinks into your heart like a hot knife in butter. India Post issued a commemorative postage stamp honoring O.P. Nair in May 2013 as celebration of the 100 years of Indian cinema. His journey is nothing short of inspiration. This unparalleled musician, the fusion king of Bollywood, took his final bow on 28 Jan 2007, leaving a void never to be filled. Thank you for the patient hearing, dear friends. And now, let's journey through his success. Live the experiences that the actors lived at that time. And having carefully chosen 15 masterpieces, we shall see the genius in him. And I'm sure at the end of the show, you will give me your responses, please. Let's start the show. Love has a unique property. It traverses all hurdles of language and borders. And the way it is emoted is so beautiful. Running around trees, shouting from hilltops, speaking to gurgling waterfalls, and so forth. When love bursts into a song, nature echoes the emotion. Let's experience the love in this song, please. O.P. Nair was the only musician who gave full 3-minute songs to comedians. He started the new era that gave comedians respectable status in cinema and took them as an equal part of the entertainment industry. And so Sanjay, start.
I hope all of you are your leaders in your place. सांज जेवणाक घोड्या गाडी घेवंक भोव आवडटली आनी ताच्याकय चड जर आवड म्हळ्यार तो आवाज करचो न्ही कितली गंमत दिसता आमकां सुद्दां गंमत दिसता तें आयकूंक शकता बट look at the musical brilliance of O.P. Nair that he took this simple all-star sound and gave such a huge number of hits. His songs I still remember to this day. Yes, that is a wow moment. God bless man. तो आवाज ऐकलेली एक तार नाका, तीन तार नाका, झप तार नाका. We only want to get on to the entire song. Get ready for the next performance from Naya Gaur. I'm welcome again, Diyatina. Now coming on the stage are Angeloj Dilip Kumar. Ladies, don't fall in love with her. Him, sorry. Angeloj Dilip Kumar and Angelij Gomti Vajanti Mala.
Mami,
मांग के साथ तुम्हारा कौन 3-4 पद सांगतले तांगे गॉड गिफ्ट हॅम्पर सरस्वत महिला the more the number of songs, the bigger the hamper. Come on.
Put on a thinking caps.
With horse trot sounds. You have time to think. Include this. Hurry up. No Google. No Chat GPT.
No. We are in the OP9 era.
Is it always Sadhana?
Yes. Wow,
Yes,
very
correct.
good. Very good. પછી તું मला राणी हॉर्ड हॅम्पर.
Kanipati is kept it from
नाही मोड दाखवले.
one answer.
ओले ओले साजना धीरे धीरे
जरा बोले बोले चलो बोले साजना हम भी पीछे है तुम्हारे जरा बोले बोले चलो बोले साजना हम भी पीछे है तुम्हारे
सॅटर्डे नाम पेलो डबल
A stage set up where love pleads to get attention and reciprocation. Only when love gives reciprocation, it reaches satisfaction. The pleading lyrics is complemented by the lilting tune of the harmonium, tabla and dholak, casting that magical spell on us. Abracadabra. Love is expressed in different ways by pleading, by making use of nature, to help in emoting, which we just saw. Now, a new way, the bold, seductive way of inviting you into the love list. Action, lyrics, ambience, and of course, the fusion of Western jazz and the judicious mix of guitar and clarinet makes this composition so popular. Pub न जाता नशा अनुभवला हेच आहे ओपिनियनची खूबी. Let's all get into this simple pleasure.
पण त्या प्लेजरच्या आधी थोडं वेटिंग आहे कारण कॉस्ट्युम चेंज आहे. पण तुम्ही आता हे गाणं ऐकलं का गजरा मोहब्बत वाला? विच मूवी वॉज इट फ्रॉम? 1, 2, ओके किस्मत 1968. Who were the two ladies sung by? Geeta Dutt and
Shamshan Begum.
Okay, who were the two actresses on whom this was picturized?
I think one was Biswajit and I don't know who the heroine was. I think it was Anita. Was it?
आप दोनों महिला समाजों को कंगाल बना के छोड़ेंगे. बस बड़े-बड़े.
दूसरा पर तुमसे आ रहा है.
हाँ, इसीलिए डर लग रहा है. आपने स्मॉल प्रिंट नहीं पढ़ा है.
But was I right? Was it Babita? Yes. But Biswajit and Babita. Yes.
अभी बच्चे मागेसा दुसरा कोणाक काही चान्स दिना पण And so, the seduction will still continue. Here, discussion will still continue. Hear the seductive siren of the pubs with their door air, their rolled jam, their naan soup, their burger, creates such a heavy cocktail of throwing caution, and that too flirtatiously. She's throwing caution, but very flirtatiously. Vanchina. Ang baila suda padedana ang squeeze. Magiri dar lankal ba. Ang katari kas chida kasa vichar.
Do you agree with me? Yes. Audience, do you agree we need friends?
Yes.
Every day,
Yes.
in every activity, we need our friends.
Yes. Yes. Now.
आम्ही बायकांक फ्रेंड्सा सारखी भोंवच म्हळ्यार जालें गंमत and that too if it is accompanied by dark clouds, rains and cool breeze. And the song from Mr. and Mrs. 55 sung by Shamshad Begum and Geeta. Any guesses? Any guesses, audience? No? Okay, come on. Sanjay. In this song, the flute with the sound of ghungroos creates such toe-tapping tune that the nakaras, the jackas, the rutna, the manana, the nok, the jog of the young love is profoundly pronounced. आपके दिन तो जरूर याद आएंगे, है ना? याद किया करो.
Three
parallel between Angen Amma आणि ओपिया. आता तुम्ही म्हणताल कसलं आहे, पण आम्हाला रांधप करताना जीरे धनिया एक दिवस ताजे मासळो आनी एक दिवस धनिया आणि कलेपूर लायक उर्दा डाळ आणि थोडी मेथी आनी एक दिवस. And what is she doing? She is creating masterpiece delicacies, dishes, which आम्ही water lame खातो. And now let's come to our opinion. What is he doing? He is mixing dholak with ghungroo, one masterpiece, clarinet with harmonium, another masterpiece. So, if Amma is the fusion queen, he becomes the fusion king of Bollywood. So that's it. This is Auntie Mumbai's song, picturized when it was Bombay. The song depicts the same wielding through crowds, traffic, struggle, pain of city life, the lack of time, love, sympathy, empathy, humanity, which is in the DNA of a city. But yet, when it is Mumbai or Bombay, the spirit of the city is still alive. When the city screams in pain and bleeds for help, we unite upholding the spirit of Mumbai. Aren't you all proud to be Mumbaikars? Yes. Definitely. So let's join and enjoy this song. Who weaves magical spell on the heroine, making her describe the love-bitten condition that she is in, the pain, the vadvada that she is going through. Enjoy the swirling tune of the being, which has been the signature of the song, unintended. Being. And here, with this composition, Helen danced her way to become the cabaret queen of Bollywood, the Audrey Helen of Bollywood. What a composition! Ageless, scintillating rock and roll, a fusion of clarinet, guitar, bass guitar, bongo, and the claps create this masterpiece of seduction. Oh wait, she's coming to seduce you. Wait, patience. And now, an all-time favorite, picturized, depicting the mischief of young love. The beat running throughout the composition is so playful, catchy, and naughty. Friends, please join us with your claps.
think I'm going to guess the next song.
Yes. Kashmir Theater.
क्या बात है. So when Raj Kapoor sir Prithviraj Kapoor sir Raj Kapoor Gaon, everyone expected that Shami Kapoor would make it. But unfortunately, one after the other, his debut movies flopped at the box office. And then came O.P. Nair and waved his magic wand and gave us Tum Saan Nahi Dekha, which established Shami Kapoor as that stylish playboy and that amazing dancing style of his. अगर आप अगला परफॉर्मेंस देखना चाहते हैं तो आपको भी अपने हाथ जोड़ नज़दीक लाइए, अपने हाथों को नज़दीक लाइए, हाँ, और आपको क्या बजाना है अभी? तालियां नहीं, तालियां. You see that?
Love for the motherland binds India together. Patriotism is the fabric that is woven by love, pride, devotion, commitment to welfare, progress, and responsibility to exercise our duties. Let's all join in this patriotism. Okay?
Hello, I'm Rita Subramanian.
Hello, I'm Sulekha Kudikar.
I'm Kalpana Himari.
I'm Anita Payan.
I'm Marti Bisuri.
I'm Anjali Tegal.
I'm Madhu Padekar.
I'm Sanjay.
Requesting our chief guest, Anita, to hand over Manthan to Sonali Petrobet and Madhu Bajekar. For all of you, it's Manthan from Saraswat Mahila Samaj. They are the mastermind behind it, so that's why the two of them. But for the whole group, thank you.
I would like to thank Navdevi Mahila Samaj. I would also like to thank our Saraswat Colony members and the Mahila Samaj for coming here and encouraging us. And thank you for always supporting this opportunity. On behalf of my team, I thank you.
Can't thank you guys enough. It was too good. We're speechless. Yeah. Now Bhakti will give vote of thanks. Good evening, everyone. What a wonderful celebration it has been. As Rumi wrote, when you do things with your heart, you feel a river of joy moving in you. That joy was truly reflected in today's program. Saraswat Mahila Samaj has sought and lived the spirit to serve for 108 years. And on this foundation day, we came together to celebrate not just the years but the legacy of service and commitment. A heartfelt thank you to our Chief Guest Amita Bachi for her inspiring words and her decades of dedicated service which has touched so many. The inspiring stories that she shared make us realize how dedication and commitment can transform lives. To our graceful dancing dolls whom I can't see, who lit up the stage with their talent and energy, with the Ishq rhythm and opinai. You are all truly appreciated. And the white horse and the horse trot will forever stay etched in the memory of all those who are present. We are grateful to our sponsors, SBC Bank and Edward Pharmaceuticals for their generosity and support, to Balak Vrinda Education Society for letting us this hall for this program. Our deep gratitude to them. Special thanks to Rupesh Tavde for the seamless sound and stage arrangements. Thank you, our videographer Siddesh Gogle for capturing our special moments. To our caterer, Maya Pachi Gangadi, thank you for your comforting tea and biscuits, simple joys that gave us a pause to share smiles and conversations. Thank you to Shobana Pachi Rao for managing the Raschandika book sales with such cheer and efficiency. Finally, to our audience, your encouragement, your applause, and simply your presence made this evening truly special. And a special thanks for making this an interactive program. Congratulations once again to Saraswat Mahila Samaj on this historic milestone of 108 years. May the legacy continue to grow stronger with each passing. We look forward to seeing all members at our AGM, which is going to be on the 27th of September at 4
wait a minute, the Foundation Day program is not over yet. I would say it's just begun. We have a DJ with old songs, so anybody who feels like dancing can come on the stage. Just for a little bit. Yeah? Welcome.